Explain the horizontal extensive desktop splicing method of the WX320 graphics card. First, you need to install the graphics driver provided by the manufacturer. After installation, right-click on the desktop. You can see two icons like this here. Then click Display Settings. Click to sort according to the order from left to right of screen 3 to 1. Then drag the corresponding square. After sorting, click Apply. Then choose 100% display here. The best resolution for the projector is 1920 x 1200. Then set the No 3 screen on the far left as the main screen. Then No 2 screen is also 100% displayed. Resolution selection 1920 x 1200. Screen No E should also be changed to a resolution of 1920 x 1200. Ensures that the three monitors have the exact resolution. Then right-click on the desktop to find the second line of settings. After clicking the stitching button and then selecting Advanced Settings, click on Identity. The projection wall will display 3 to 1. Then drag the three projectors on the left to the corresponding option box. First, drag the number 3 on the left to the first box. No to drag it to the middle, no 3 carried to the right. Then click the OK button in the lower right corner. After the prompt box appears, close it. This way, you can see the complete horizontal large desktop in the display settings. Then the resolution is 5760 x 1200. Photos can also be dragged from the far left to the far right. If the resolution is wrong, you can enter the second option. Find the custom resolution. Drop down to find the resolution you need. After the simulation is completed, the display under each projector has been simulated. Because the resolution just set is correct, there is no need to switch. The graphics card has the function of locking the resolution. Right-click on the desktop to find the settings and find the icon. Select Edit Emulation. It can be simulated for a single projector or all projectors. After switching, you can find the resolution you just switched in the display settings. If you unplug the HDMI signal after the simulation is completed, the entire horizontal desktop and resolution will not change either. The resolution doesn't turn into 3 separate screens, still full screen. The advantage is that whether you turn on the computer or the projector first, it will not interfere with the horizontal desktop. If you want to remove the simulation, find the interface and click one-click to remove. After removal, it will show as connected. This is how it locks the resolution.